For anyone who may have missed it, I have resumed my CryptoQ Media channel. Because of yesterday's attempted assassination, we may use this episode to discuss Trump's run for president. We are always looking for solutions, but there are still many mysteries. For what reasons is XRP displaying greenish tendencies? It has recovered to its 53-cent level and is holding steady, so we could expect a push up here fairly soon. Verifying your Bitcoin balance with XRP is deceitful. Since I am unfamiliar with this company, I am intrigued to view the video. The terms social media personality, analyst, and others describe him. However, the most crucial argument is being made by him. Focus on the XRP Bitcoin ratio on the graphic. It is becoming increasingly intriguing by the second. I apologize, but Ripple must be discussed. These commercials produced by the CME Group are likely new to you. Are you kidding me? An XRP exchange-traded fund is on the way. Putting a reminder on your fridge or some other simple object will work. I will provide a detailed explanation here. Sit down and relax. Do not hesitate to jump on the 60,127 Bitcoin bandwagon. The present value is 2.72% more than before. Given the recent precipitous drop of $3,208, T and USDC are now trading at 1.62%. This is a great opportunity for XRP because it aligns perfectly with their dollar pegs. Adolescent male, the fight begins today. A rise of 3% has occurred. We anticipate that this will continue to rise over the following 24 hours, hopefully reaching 57 cents or more. What happens if it fails to work is obvious. A small retest into the upper 40s is probable, but the conclusion is still pending. We need just one more thing before we can keep climbing. First and foremost, as you may already be aware, our objective for 2025 is to achieve a 6% market share by the end of the year, with XRP reaching 75 cents. The entire Bitcoin market would then be 235 billion larger. As a result of the tragic shooting at a Trump gathering in Pennsylvania, the former president's prospects of success on the poly market reached an earlier peak. Traders in the cryptocurrency prediction market currently have Trump's re-election odds at 70%. In case you didn't know, Poly Market is a site that takes wagers in cryptocurrencies. Trump's presidential campaign. My original plan was to take the shot by peering through the ceiling. I think so. See if you were right about Trump winning the 2024 election by placing your bets. As the zoomed-in image shows, the current chance is as high as 70%. With Bitcoin bulls like green sitting on their hands, the only major cryptocurrency remaining is XRP. But the bulls aren't to be disregarded either. They've brought us back to square one, and all hell will break loose once we break through the 64,000 mark. I think it's inevitable that it will fall lower than this. First, we'll talk about cryptocurrency. In the remaining 4 minutes and 28 seconds of the video for just 28 cents I would like to give you a preview of my current project, in case you are still interested. In this instance, I would wager 55 or 60 cents as my buy-in. When I purchased this, it was probably about 28 cents. I have a hard time with money. The value I receive will be doubled. I plan to go head first into this. I made the calculations for the totals. Consequently, my DCA will decrease to approximately 34 cents. The thing I'm trying to get him to do is stand up and look at the sky for 7 hours and 38 cents. There will be a 3 minimum charge from now on. With extreme caution, we were able to increase our return on investment RIP from 28 cents to 10 times its previous level. It is impossible to escape this. The item's market value will be around 20 times my investment if this keeps breaking. Be careful, although I will be writing my profile as soon as this video ends, please do not use my experiences as financial advice. Next, I will retrieve my little two-factor amplifier. I want to make a modest, over-the-counter purchase of this item after I log into my exchange. First, set it aside. I will remain calm and collected until the moving is finished. What is coming is known to us. The alternates will be unveiled in the year 2025. Plus, I'll be very patient as I await that. Another analyst claims that XRP is a fraud, but the price is approaching a promising range anyway. What was said to you was absolutely accurate. Everything is done. Krillin has provided a link that we ought to follow. He needs to be named. I have no idea who they are, for whatever reason. Perhaps you're familiar with them. 130,000 people are devoted to him. Trades abound with him. Can you identify this individual? All I need is a hint. The fact is that I plan to carry it out. In the dark. He maintains his stance that XRP is a fraud even now. But maybe we need to look into this because it seems like an intricate hoax. This is the end, my companion. Here is the XRP to Bitcoin chart for your reference. If you follow this trend, you'll see that XRP Bitcoin usually rockets upwards. I believe we still have some ground to cover. From what I can tell, things are looking up. The moment is almost here for this. You are free to peruse the XRP Bitcoin chart that I previously emailed you. It has been discussed and examined by us. When XRP reaches these levels, we will provide an update as well. Even though our time has come to depart, I still believe we aren't prepared. Absolutely not. Plus, I brought it up in the first video of the day. In my opinion, XRP is not yet prepared to achieve that. You are aware that there are still many more levels for us to finish. Let me tell you the truth, we need to break 75 cents, then 66 cents, and finally 60 cents. We are currently trading at 53 cents. Then we can move on to discussing the dollar as a final goal. Even if there isn't any fresh currency in circulation, the current market value of cryptocurrencies is 2.2 trillion. No fresh funding or renewed interest from investors has shown up just yet. Everything, though, is leading up to that in H2. A Bitcoin price of 100,000 would not surprise me in the least. Do you plan to have a Bitcoin in your possession before year's end? At first, I intended to get 130 Bitcoins. I will have mined about 160,000 worth of Bitcoin by the day's conclusion. By year's end, analysts predict that the total value of all cryptocurrencies will have surpassed 4.55 trillion. Cryptocurrencies with a market value of $7 to $10 trillion will fill the ballroom when this is over. Remember that since cyberspace XRP in 2017, no cryptocurrency has moved except XRP, and that all funds exiting the system end up exactly where they should. The rule makers do not include me. You are free to complete these XRP tasks whenever it suits you. I am grateful if you are a new subscriber to my channel. I will meet with you later.